这篇 RA 的标题呢叫做 Productive Capacity。我们先来看第一句 ：The core of the problem was the immense disparity between the country's productive capacity and the ability of people to consume。这句话当中有几个难词，我们先挑出来讲一下。首先呢，这个叫做 immense disparity，immense 巨大的 disparity 区别 ，OK，immense disparity。那么在这个之前呢，按照它的句意的划分，我们要在这个 problem 跟 was 之间停一下，因为前面是大主语，后面是它的谓语 ，right？The core of the problem was the immense disparity。OK， 后面的这个 between 呢，它是一个介词的结构，所以你也可以在这里面停一下，就是说修饰什么样的 immense disparity 啊 ，immense disparity between the country's productive capacity and the ability of people to consume 所以你可以把这个 country 着重出来。Between the country's productive capacity， 还有下面的 ability and the ability of people to consume。下一句 ，Great innovations in productive techniques during and after the war raised the output of industry beyond the purchasing capacity of U.S. farmers and wage earners。这一句话当中也是最主要的重点呢，是你要知道怎么样去停顿。首先一个必须停顿的点在这个 raised 跟 were 之间，因为前面它的真正的主语呢叫做 great innovations， 后面都是在从这个 in 开始到 were 都是在去做它的一个修饰。怎么样的这个创新 ？Great innovations in productive techniques during and after the war。接下来谓语 raised， 它的谓语其实修饰的是 great innovations 嘛，所以在这个地方要停一下。Raise the output of industry， 停一下，接着去，因为后面是修饰它 beyond the purchasing capacity of U.S. farmers and wage earners。Alright， 这个 purchasing 的发音也要发准啊，发圆满一点。purchasing capacity。